storm warning in effect. North to northeast winds 30 to 45 knots with gusts to 65 knots and seas 8 to 13 feet, gradually becoming northwest Sunday evening. In the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border down to 30 nautical miles, and waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border extending 30 to 60 nautical miles out, including San Clemente Island. Winds will increase Sunday and peak late Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening. Winds will gradually weaken late Sunday night through Monday. Very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Governors should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for severe conditions.
Free has never sounded so good.
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for San Diego, CA, beginning at 8:29 p.m. and ending at 8:44 p.m. County EAS. Tropical storm warning, dangerous flash flooding and strong winds are expected. Do not travel unless you must, avoid flooded roads, avoid downed power lines, and stay away from waterways and low-lying areas. Follow guidance from your local public safety officials. More information at www.alertsandiego.org.